If you're in the market for a tethered home EV charger, chances are you've come across two big names with two similarly named products. Hypervolt with its Home 3 Pro and Ohme with its Home Pro. Both sit in that mid-range price bracket, both come packed with smart features, but which one is the better buy for you? Let's find out. Both chargers are tethered, meaning that the cable that goes into your vehicle is permanently attached to the unit itself rather than having a socket. They both also support smart tariffs, solar charging, and give you detailed cost tracking of every charging session, but there are some key differences worth knowing. Let's talk money. The Ohme Home Pro with a 5-meter cable starts from around £936 installed or £538 without installation. The Hypervolt Home 3 Pro with a 5-meter comes in slightly higher at around £1,045 installed or £642 without. You can upgrade both products to have longer cables. The Ohme Home Pro is available with an 8-meter cable, while the Hypervolt can be upgraded to have a 7.5 or a 10-meter cable. Verdict: the Ohme wins here, it's just that bit cheaper across the board. The Ohme Home Pro is compact and it's one of the few home chargers with a built-in LCD screen. That means you can see live charging information or even set schedules without reaching for your phone. But the Ohme's design is definitely function over form. It's only available in black and its separate cable holster means it takes up more wall space overall. Now to the Hypervolt Home 3 Pro. This one's built to look the part. It's larger physically, but the cable wraps neatly around the body of the unit, so it actually takes up less wall space overall. You can even choose between 3 colours: ultra black, space grey or ultra white, all of which can be swapped if you do get sick of the colour. And while the customisable LED lights might divide opinion, you can't deny that they do give the charger a unique edge design-wise. Verdict: Hypervolt takes this one. It's cleaner, neater and a lot more stylish. When it comes to setup, the Ohme is plug and play. Its built-in mobile data connection means you can skip Wi-Fi setup entirely. The Hypervolt on the other hand relies on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Setup is still simple, but there's an extra step. In day-to-day use, both apps are easy enough, but here's the catch. Ohme's solar integration can be tricky to fine-tune, and the app's advanced features might be a bit overwhelming to use the first time round. Hypervolt's app is more intuitive overall, but its cost tracking tool can be fiddly, especially with tariffs that cross midnight. Verdict: Hypervolt wins this one. You won't need a training course to use either charger, but the Hypervolt's app is ever so slightly easier to use than the Ohme's. Both chargers have strong apps, but they take different approaches. The Ohme lets you set a target charge, like 80% by 7 AM, and it will automatically calculate the cheapest way to get there using data fed in by your tariff. That's incredibly smart if your car's on Ohme's API list. If it isn't, you'll need to do a bit more manual setup. The Hypervolt, by contrast, uses simple start and stop times, which is straightforward but less intelligent. Once you've set up your EV charging schedules though, most EV drivers won't need to touch them again, so we prefer the simpler scheduling approach that Hypervolt and other chargers take compared to Ohme's more sophisticated method. In terms of other features, the Hypervolt has some great solar options with solar only, solar and grid or grid only modes, and even Alexa voice control and LED customization. Ohme also has a bit of solar functionality built in called Solar Boost. It basically lets you use any excess solar energy to top up your car during your usual charging schedule with grid power. Ohme's also working on a new mode that'll let you charge your car using solar power only, but that feature isn't available just yet at the time of this video. Both integrate with Intelligent Octopus Go, one of the most popular EV tariffs on the market, but Hypervolt also supports OVO Charge Anytime. Verdict: this one's a tie. Ohme's smart scheduling is great for compatible cars, while Hypervolt offers better solar and smart tariff integration. So round by round, it's close, but the Hypervolt Home 3 Pro just takes the win 3-2. for its sleeker design, easier app experience and great solar integration. But the Ohme Home Pro still shines. It's cheaper, better for fine-tuning your charging sessions, and it isn't reliant on your home Wi-Fi. So if price is your top priority, go for the Ohme. If you want something that looks great, is easier to use and plays nicely with solar panels, then choose the Hypervolt. And if you're still not sure, check out our EV charger comparison tool in the description below or in the pop-out banner above to get a broader side-by-side comparison, or go to our website to view other chargers in our range. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out both our YouTube channel and website for more great home charging content. See you next time.